Hello everyone, my name is Chris. I'm a grandmother. I have 6 grandchildren and they call me MiMi. So this channel is MiMi Chris Cooks. I had some pandemic time on my hands and decided this is what I wanted to do. I want to post my recipes and tips and tricks for around the house, not only for my family but for anybody who might be interested, especially younger people. Anyway, why don't you check it out, give me your feedback, let me know what you think, and have a wonderful time exploring maybe some new things that you haven't seen before. I really appreciate it. Take care, stay well.